The VBAT drone is a versatile vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) designed for a wide range of missions, including surveillance, reconnaissance, and cargo delivery. Its unique tail-sitting design allows it to launch and recover in confined spaces, making it ideal for both land and maritime operations. The VBAT is equipped with advanced sensors and cameras for real-time intelligence gathering and can operate autonomously or be remotely piloted. With its compact form factor, long endurance, and ease of deployment, the VBAT is a valuable asset for military, security, and humanitarian applications, offering robust performance in diverse operational environments. The Rogue One Lethal Unmanned Aerial System is a cutting-edge military-grade drone designed for advanced combat and reconnaissance missions. Boasting a compact yet robust design, the Rogue One is equipped with high-performance propulsion systems that enable rapid deployment and exceptional maneuverability in various terrains and combat scenarios. Its advanced targeting and surveillance capabilities are powered by state-of-the-art sensors and AI-driven analytics, ensuring precise identification and engagement of targets. The system's lethal payload options, combined with autonomous operational features, make it a formidable tool for modern warfare, offering strategic advantages in both offensive and defensive operations. Enhanced with secure communication links and electronic countermeasure systems, the Rogue One unmanned aerial system ensures operational integrity and effectiveness even in contested environments, embodying the next generation of unmanned combat technology. The Viper 40 Micro, Spear UAV's cutting-edge mini-loitering munition drone, designed for precision strikes with the convenience of a grenade launcher. This compact UAS fits snugly into a combat vest, ready for rapid deployment in the heat of battle. With line-of-sight accuracy up to 1,000 meters and a seamless integration with military hardware like the M320, it offers an advanced aerial viewpoint, crucial for urban warfare. Weighing just 450 grams, it boasts a speed of 15 meters per second, a 5-kilometer range, and an impressive 25-minute endurance. The Viper 40 Micro is a game-changer for small tactical units, ensuring extraordinary accuracy for both line-of-sight and beyond line-of-sight targets. ELTA Systems air defense radars are renowned for their advanced technology and robust performance in detecting, tracking, and identifying aerial threats. These radars are integral to comprehensive air defense systems, providing early warning and situational awareness to military forces. Key features include multi-beam and multi-mode capabilities, enabling simultaneous tracking of multiple targets with high accuracy and reliability. The radars utilize sophisticated algorithms and digital beamforming techniques to enhance detection range and resolution, even in challenging environments with electronic countermeasures. With modular and scalable designs, ELTA Systems air defense radars can be adapted for various platforms, including ground-based, naval, and airborne applications, ensuring versatile and effective protection against a wide range of aerial threats, from aircraft and helicopters to missiles and UAVs. The Bell 360 Invictus is a cutting-edge aircraft designed for the U.S. Army's Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft (FARA) program. It boasts unparalleled maneuverability, advanced speed, range, and agility, suitable for both urban and rugged terrains. The Invictus is armed with a 20mm cannon and an internal payload bay for modular launchers, ensuring readiness for any combat scenario. Its sustainability is underscored by modern manufacturing processes that promise affordability and reliability. With an integrated supplemental power unit for enhanced performance and a fly-by-wire system for precision control, the Bell 360 Invictus is set to revolutionize attack reconnaissance, providing an always-ready advantage with an unbeatable fleet. The Ripsaw M5, a fifth-generation unmanned ground combat vehicle by Textron Systems, is engineered for extreme mobility and decisive lethality. It's capable of reaching speeds over 25 miles per hour and boasts an impressive payload capacity of 8,000 pounds, equipped with Teledyne FLIR 360-degree perception technology. The M5 provides unparalleled situational awareness. It also features an optionally tethered R-80D Skyraider UAS for persistent flight and target detection, and a marsupial unmanned ground vehicle for reconnaissance and target interrogation. The TACFLIR 280 HD EP medium-range HD multispectral surveillance system further enhances its surveillance capabilities. With its modular design and open architecture, the Ripsaw M5 is a versatile and powerful asset for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and combat operations. Ohio Ordnance Works Incorporated is a renowned manufacturer known for producing a wide range of firearms, particularly specializing in light, medium, and heavy machine guns. They cater to military, law enforcement, and government clients globally. Their product line extends beyond firearms to include accessories and mounting solutions for various platforms, including vehicles and aircraft. Ohio Ordnance is also equipped to provide comprehensive services such as arsenal-level repair and rebuild, training, and rental services. With a history that dates back to 1981, the company has established itself as a competitive player in the global arms industry, offering custom solutions and maintaining a high level of customer satisfaction. The robust robotic combat vehicle, the future of modern warfare. These autonomous or remotely operated machines are designed for combat and surveillance, equipped with advanced sensors, weapons, and communication systems. They can operate independently or be controlled by human operators and are capable of engaging enemy targets, conducting reconnaissance, and providing fire support. With their ability to navigate various terrains and transmit real-time data, our RCVs enhance safety, efficiency, and accuracy on the battlefield. They can also withstand harsh environments and survive attacks that would be catastrophic for human soldiers. However, their development also raises important ethical and cybersecurity considerations, such as the potential for hacking or unintended harm to civilians. The Starstreak is a cutting-edge, man-portable air defense system designed by Thales Air Defense, renowned for its rapid response and precision against aerial threats. Utilizing unique laser-guided technology, the missile splits into 3 high-velocity darts upon launch, traveling at speeds over Mach 3 to ensure minimal reaction time for targets. This advanced system is highly effective against fast-moving threats like helicopters, drones, and low-flying jets. Its portability allows for quick deployment by a single operator, making it an incredibly versatile and powerful tool for modern combat scenarios. With its exceptional accuracy, high speed, and robust versatility, the Starstreak provides unparalleled protection and operational effectiveness for ground forces. The M32 Six-Shooter is a lightweight, semi-automatic 40mm grenade launcher renowned for its rapid-fire capability and versatility in various combat scenarios. Designed for military and law enforcement use, the M32 can quickly engage multiple targets with its 6-round revolving cylinder, providing substantial firepower in a compact package. It is capable of firing a variety of 40mm grenades, including high-explosive, smoke, and less lethal options, making it adaptable to diverse mission requirements. The launcher features an ergonomic design with an adjustable stock and advanced sighting systems for enhanced accuracy and ease of use. Its robust construction ensures reliability in harsh conditions, making the M32 Six-Shooter a valuable asset for close-quarters combat, crowd control, and tactical operations. The Convair Model 49 was a groundbreaking concept from the 1960s, designed to be a multi-role VTOL aircraft for the U.S. Army's AAFSS. This innovative vehicle combined the capabilities of a jet, tank, and attack helicopter, intended to operate in diverse environments like the dense forests of Vietnam. It featured a duct fan design for vertical lift and transition to forward propulsion once airborne. The Model 49 was equipped with modular armaments, including machine guns, grenade launchers, and rocket launchers, and was armored against 12.7 mm projectiles. Although it never entered production, the Convair Model 49 remains a remarkable example of the era's experimental military designs. Thermosight HIS HD, Teledyne FLIR's revolutionary thermal sniper sight, engineered for unmatched precision in long-range targeting. With the ability to detect man-sized targets beyond 2,200 meters, this high-definition sight seamlessly integrates with MIL STD 1913 rail interfaces, enhancing sniper scopes with crystal-clear imagery. Its advanced cryocolor reduces thermal noise, sharpening resolution to the extent that snipers can track bullets in flight, even in broad daylight. The clip-on design is perfect for both snipers and machine gunners, bolstered by FLIR Ignite 4 effortless image management and sharing. The HIS HD is a tactical advantage that redefines nighttime and obscured visibility engagements, setting a new standard for thermal sniper sights. The ATACMS Boosted, short for Army Tactical Missile System Boosted, is an enhanced version of the standard ATACMS, designed to deliver extended range and increased payload capacity for precision strike capabilities. This long-range surface-to-surface missile features an improved propulsion system, providing greater reach to target high-value enemy assets deep within contested territories. Equipped with advanced guidance systems, including GPS and inertial navigation, the ATACMS Boosted ensures pinpoint accuracy in all weather conditions, day or night. Its versatile warhead options allow for effective engagement of a variety of targets, from fortified structures to dispersed troop formations. The ATACMS Boosted integrates seamlessly with existing artillery systems, offering rapid deployment and a formidable strike capability to support both offensive and defensive operations, significantly enhancing battlefield effectiveness for modern military forces. The NH90 is a versatile military helicopter designed to meet NATO's stringent standards for both land and maritime missions. It's the first of its kind to incorporate fly-by-wire controls, enhancing its operational capabilities. The NH90 comes in two primary variants, the Tactical Transport Helicopter for Army operations and the NATO Frigate Helicopter for naval tasks, including sea rescues and anti-submarine warfare. Despite its advanced technology, the NH90 has faced challenges, such as maintenance issues and software glitches. The German Navy's NH90 Sea Lion and the more recent NH90 Sea Tiger are specialized versions, with the latter being equipped for robust anti-submarine warfare with state-of-the-art sensors and electronic measures. The Black Hornet 4, recently unveiled by Teledyne FLIR Defense, is the latest advancement in nanodrone technology, featuring significant upgrades for military reconnaissance and covert operations. Weighing less than a pound, it boasts a 12-megapixel daytime camera with enhanced low-light capabilities and a high-resolution thermal imager. The drone can fly for over 30 minutes, has a range of up to 2 kilometers, and operates effectively in wind speeds up to 25 knots. Its reduced visual and audio signatures enhance stealth, while advanced obstacle avoidance technology minimizes collision risks. Widely used by military forces in over 40 countries, including the US and Ukraine, the Black Hornet 4 is a game-changer in providing real-time intelligence and situational awareness. The Advanced Counter-Unmanned Aerial System C-UAS Strykers represent the pinnacle of counter-drone technology, seamlessly integrated onto the robust Stryker armored vehicles. These systems are engineered to detect, identify, track, and neutralize enemy drones through a sophisticated blend of kinetic and non-kinetic means. Featuring state-of-the-art sensors and effectors, the C-UAS Strykers enhance the U.S. Army's defensive capabilities, ensuring brigade combat teams are shielded from aerial threats. As part of the MLIDS program, these vehicles are equipped with multi-mission radars and electromagnetic attack technology, ready to counter a diverse range of UAS threats with precision and reliability.